everyone and welcome to this video on AI and ML Engineer Roadmap. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just trending technologies anymore. They are becoming the backbone of every industry. And right now, the demand for AI and ML engineers is exploding worldwide. In India, AI engineers earn anywhere from 8 lakhs to 36 lakhs per year, depending on skills and experience. In the United States, the same roles can start from $120,000 and can go all the way up to $250,000 for senior and specialized positions. So if you have been thinking about getting into AI and ML, switching careers, or upscaling for higher paying opportunities, there has never been a better time. And in this video, I am giving you a complete, beginner-friendly and deeply practical AI and ML engineer roadmap that shows you exactly what to learn and how to grow in this booming field. So before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, check out Edureka's postgraduate program in Generative AI and Machine Learning in collaboration with Illinois Tech. It offers a unique opportunity to explore the cutting-edge world of Generative AI and develop advanced AI-powered solutions. This program covers in-demand topics including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, prompt engineering, generative AI, LLMs, RAG, Agentic AI, and much more. Learn from industry experts through a curriculum built around real-world, hands-on use cases designed to equip you with the practical and job-ready skills. So check out the course link given in the description box below. And now, the first step of your AI journey starts with the strong foundations. And no, you don't need to be a mathematician. You simply need the essentials. So start with Python, because Python is the language that powers almost every modern AI system. So focus on the basics like variables, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, file handling, and how to work with APIs. So these skills are enough to write simple programs and understand AI code. Next, learn data handling, because AI is built on data. Use pandas to clean and organize data, NumPy to perform calculation, and matplotlib or seaborn to visualize patterns. Even simple tasks like removing missing values or analyzing sales trends will prepare you for the real AI projects. Then, learn the essential math behind AI. Not heavy equations, just the basic understanding. Understand mean, median, variance, probability basic, correlations, and what vectors and matrices are. Learn what gradient descent means conceptually so you understand how models learn without getting buried in complex math. So once your foundations are ready, move to machine learning. ML is simply teaching computers to learn from examples. Instead of writing instructions, show the model real-world data and let it find patterns. So learn key ML concepts like training and testing, accuracy and precision, underfitting and overfitting, cross-validation and feature engineering. So these concepts helps you understand how to build, tune and improve models. Then learn the core ML algorithms that companies use every single day. So you need to start with linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, SVM, naive Bayes, k-means clustering and PCA. These algorithms cover most practical business problems like predicting sales, detecting fraud, segmenting customers, and identifying patterns in large datasets. Then, build small ML projects such as house price predictor, spam email classifier, credit score predictor, or customer segmentation model. So these projects give you confidence and make your portfolio job ready. After ML, move into deep learning, the technology behind ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and medical AI. Start by understanding how neural networks work. Learn what neurons, layers, activation functions, and loss functions are. You don't need to memorize formulas, just understand how the network adjusts itself to improve predictions. Pick either TensorFlow or PyTorch as your deep learning framework, because both are used by companies in production, so you only need to choose one. And then build deep learning projects like digit recognition, image classification, sentiment analysis, or go for fake news classification. So these projects teach you how to use neural networks in real scenarios. So AI is no longer about learning everything. It's about choosing your specialization. So here we have options. So option A is NLP and LLMs, which has the highest demand. So if you want to work with chatbots, smart assistants or language models like ChatGPT, choose NLP and LLMs. And all you need to learn is tokenization, embeddings, transformers, BERT, GPT models, prompt engineering, fine-tuning, RAG, and agentic architectures. And you can build projects like AI chatbots, document search tools, question and answer systems, or customer support bots. Option B is computer vision. If you like working with images and videos, choose computer vision. Learn CNNs, YOLO, object detection, and segmentation. And you can build real-world projects like face detection, medical image analysis, CCTV monitoring systems, or vehicle counting tools. Option C is generative AI. If you enjoy creativity, choose generative AI. Learn GANs, VAEs, and diffusion models. Build applications like AI art generators, product design tools, image-to-image systems, or video generation models. Option D is MLOps. If you prefer infrastructure and deployment, then choose MLOps. Learn Docker, Kubernetes, MLflow, CI/CD pipelines, cloud deployment, and model monitoring. And you can build projects that focus on deploying ML and LLM models into real environments. Alright, so Agentic AI is the biggest trend of 2026. These are not just models, these are the intelligent agents that can reason, plan, use tools, and take actions. So learn how agents work with frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, and crew-based agent architectures. Understand tool calling, memory systems, planning, and multi-agent collaboration. Also build agentic projects like an AI research assistant, an autonomous email automation agent, a financial analysis agent, or a customer service automation agent. So these projects stand out in the interviews because companies want people who can build intelligent workflows and not just models. So now that you have skills, you need projects that prove it. So your portfolio should have 2 machine learning projects, 2 deep learning projects, 2 specialization projects, and 1 real end-to-end AI system. And this final project could be a chatbot with RAG, a vision-based attendance system, an AI assistant with memory, or a complete ML pipeline deployed on cloud. And finally, upload your work on GitHub, write clear documentation, and add deployment links so employers can test your work instantly. So with this roadmap, you can apply for the most in-demand roles in 2026, such as AI engineer, machine learning engineer, LLM engineer, NLP engineer, generative AI engineer, computer vision engineer, MLOps engineer, or AI automation specialist. AI is not just the future, it's the career shift of today. If you follow this roadmap step by step, you will build the skills, the projects, and the confidence to enter the world of AI and machine learning. And with this, we have come to an end to this video on AI and ML engineer roadmap. If you enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment on any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. And do look up for more videos and playlists, and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching and happy learning.